Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will review one earbuds, and this is the Lenovo earbuds. This earbuds model is ht18. Nowadays earbuds is very popular because of the size and quality, and this earbud size is the very small and sound quality is also high, so that earbuds are now popular. Today I review the Lenovo earbuds, and you see this is the full specification, and here you see the specification. This is a wireless portability, clear acoustics, high capacity battery, iOS electricity display, volume, hands-free calls. Then this driving unit is 8mm, frequency response range 20 to 20 kHz, wireless propagation distance approximately 10 meters. This is the very low frequency, I think, because this is approximately 10 meters. I use this for last 7 days, so I see this is the best for one room. And if you go to the another room without your mobile phone, or you wherever you connect this earbuds, your earbuds will be disconnected, so this frequency is the very low. Music time is approximately 4 hours, and this is the best. Yeah, I see this is actually bright. I use this, so I know the approximately 4 hours backup this earbuds. And charging time of earbuds approximately 1 hour, and charging time of charging bean approximately 2 hours. Earbuds battery 40 ampere, and charging case battery 1000 ampere. Battery and charging is the very nice. Wireless propagation distance is the very disappointed. Another thing is the voice cancellation, and you see some low budget earbuds generate noise, but this earbuds not generate voice but not cancellation the noise. Okay, and this is the very good things. Because of that, this earbuds is not very high price. I buy this earbuds for 30 USD, so this is the not very high price, but in this price this voice quality and noise cancelling is the very perfect. So overall this earbuds voice quality is very nice. And now I tell you the button function or your functionality, how you use this. So before that, I show in this packaging, and you see there are the 4 items. One is the 2 wireless stereo earbuds and an USB charging line, 2 sets of silicone earplugs, and another is the instruction manual. You will got these 4 items in this package. And this button function is the on off call. If your earbuds, you hold this button for 3 seconds and it will be on. If you put the earbuds in this charging case battery and remove this, the earbuds will automatically on. So that's how you can on this earbuds. And this is the very easy way to connect with your mobile phone. When you on this earbuds and turn on Bluetooth on your mobile phone, then here you see this earbuds name show in this mobile, and you click here and it is preparing for pairing, and you see this confirmation message. I click here OK. After clicking this OK, then this is the connected. The connection with mobile, it is very easy. Now you are connected your earbuds with your mobile phone. And now how do you use this? Okay, so this is also easy. If someone call you, you short press of this button, this call will answer. And if you refuse this call, you can hold this button for 2 seconds, then the call will rejected. And if you want to end the call, short press this button and this call will end. So this is the very easy way to operate. And if you want to turn off this device, just click this button for 3 seconds and it will be off. And another way, if you put this earbuds on this charging case battery, and it will be turned off. So this is the very easy way. So if you have earbuds and you do not play music, it's not happen playing music with this earbuds. It is also easy. If you short press this button without making call, music play will start. So when you making a call, that's time if you press this call will rejected or end. But without call, if you press this music will start. And you see this here in this mobile, if I press this music will start, and I press this music was paused. Okay, so that's how you can start or pause your music. If you press this left button for twice, the music will go previous, and if right earbuds you press twice, the music will go next. So that's how you can go previous or next. If your sound quality is low, you press this right earbuds button, the music will increase. If you press this left earbuds button, the music will decrease. So this is the very easy way to operate this earbuds. If I summarize the earbuds, this is the actual awesome earbuds in the cheap rate. So you can collect these earbuds. So this is the very qualityful earbuds, I think. If you enjoy this video, please like this hit button, and you can share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. So goodbye, see you around, tada, bye bye.